Hello students, myself Nilesh Kumar Jadhav. In this video, we will find the probabilities of normal distribution by considering an example of normal distribution which is asked in Shivaji University examination. If the weights of 1000 students are distributed normally with mean 40 kg and standard deviation SD is of 4 kg, then find the number of students with weight. First case is A, less than 36 kg, B, more than 45 kg, and C, between 36 kg and 45 kg. Also, we have given some additional information in curly bracket, that is given for S and V Z, standard normal variable Z, area between zero and 1 is 0.3413 and that between 0 and 1.25 is 0.3944. So we have given this additional information. This question is asked in Shivaji University examination conducted in April 2019. Okay, to find out the solution or find out the number of students in the given ABC options, we have to summarize the given information in its notational form. That is, first we will write solution. Here we have given the variable, that is weight of students, which is continuous. So we consider x as a weight of students. So let x denote the weight of students, as we have given this weight x follows normal. We have also given the value of mean mu, its notation is mu and it is 40, and standard deviation sigma, notation is sigma and it is 4. Hence we can write the weight of student, that is x follows n in bracket 40 comma sigma square, that is 4 square. Okay, this is the information it is given to us. We will solve case A, that is we are going to find the number of students with weight less than 36 kg. To find this number of students, first we have to find the probability of the weight of student less than 36 kg. That is A, the probability that the weight of student less than 36 kilograms is given by, in terms of notation we can write this probability that x, that is weight of student, is less than 36 kg. As we have given the area in standard normal variable z, so we transform this x to z. This probability can be written as x minus mu upon sigma less than 36 minus value of mu is 40 divided sigma is 4. So whenever there is a notation, we will use notation, and whenever there is a value of that x, we will use the value of mean and standard deviation. So ultimately this equation can be reduced. We rewrite x minus mu upon sigma by z, that is standard normal variable z, which is less than 36 minus 40, that is minus 4 divided by 4 is minus 1. So probability that x is less than 36 is equivalent to probability that z is less than minus 1. So we have to find the area of z which is less than minus 1. So to find area, we will draw quickly a standard normal curve. Here is 0, so the cutoff point is minus 1, so minus 1 will be the here. Okay, and we have to find the area below minus 1. So this is the area which is shaded in this, and we have to find this area, as it is given in the example that area between 0 and 1 is 0.3413. That is, we have given area between 0 and plus 1. It is, this area is this area is 0.3413, but due to symmetry, the area between 0 and 1 is as same as the area between minus 1 to 0. So we can identify this area, this one, by using 0 to 1 area. So we know the area between minus 1 to 0, as this is the area between minus 1 to 0. Now we know that this is the standard normal probability curve. Area below 0 is 0.5 and above 0 is 0.5, because total area under the curve is 1. So below 0 is 0.5. So we have to find the probability less than minus 1, z less than minus 1. That means we have to subtract area of minus 1 to 0 from less than 0. So we rewrite first this as z, probability that z less than minus 1 is equivalent to probability that z is less than 0 minus probability that minus 1 less than z less than 0. So probability that z less than 0 minus, because of symmetry, the area between minus 1 to 0 is nothing but area between 0 to plus 1. So I will write this 0 less than z less than 1. The area between the area below 0 is 0.5 minus 0 to 1 area is already given in the equation, that is 0.3413, and it is, by calculation I will get the area between area less than minus 1 is 0.1587. So probability that x is less than 36 is 0.1587. Now the number of students with weight less than 36 kilograms is given by probability that x is less than 36 multiplied by n. Thus n denotes the number of students, total number of students, and this probability we have as calculated 0.1587 multiplied by 1000, that is 158.7, approximately 159 students. Now we will consider the second case, that is, we will find the number of students with weight more than 45 kg. Second, B. First we find the probability that the weight of student more than 45 kilograms is given by in notation probability that x, that is weight of student, is more than 45. By usual notation we transform this x to z. By using the transformation, z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. Hence we write this probability as probability that x minus mu upon sigma is greater than, so 45 minus value of mu, it is 40, divided by sigma, value of sigma is 4. So ultimately we can write this x minus mu upon sigma is denoted by z. So z is greater than 45 minus 40 divided by 4. We will get 5 divided by 4, that is equal to z is greater than 1.25. Okay, so probability that x is greater than 45 is nothing but probability that z is greater than 1.25. So by using normal probability curve, standard normal probability curve, we denote this region in this graph. So the middlemost value is 0. So 1.25 lies on the right hand side of this 0, that is 1.25, and it is denoted by, we can part this as Newton figure. So we have to find the value of z which are greater than 1.25. So the shaded region denote the values of z which are more than 1.25 and its probability. So probability that z is greater than 1.25 is denoted in this shaded region. Okay, so we know that the probability greater than 0 is 0.5, and we have given in the question that 0 probably between 0 and 1.25 for standard normal variable z, and it is 0.3944. So first we rewrite this as probability that z is greater than 0, that is whole this region above 0. We can subtract probability between 0 to 1.25, that 0 less than z less than 1.25. So probability z greater than 0 is 0.5 minus probability that z lies between 0 and 1.25. It is already given in question and it is 0.3944. So ultimately we will get the subtraction is 0.1056. Okay, now to compute the number of students having weight more than 45 kg, we have to multiply this probability that x is greater than 45, multiply this probability by total number of students. So the number of students with weight more than 45 kilograms is given by probability that x, weight of student, greater than more than 45 multiplied by n. So we have given n number of total number of students, it is 1000. So probability that x is greater than 45 multiplied by n is 1000, and this probability we have already computed, it is 0.1056 multiplied by 1000, and this probability is 105.6, that is approximately 106 students. So the number of students with weight more than 45 kg is 106. Now we will find the number of students with weight between 36 kg and 45 kg, the part C of this example. So part C, first we identify the probability that the weight of student lies between 36 kg and 45 kg. The probability that the weight of student lies between 36 kg and 45 kg is, in notation, is given by is equal to probability that 36 less than x, that is weight of student, less than 45. So as usual, by using Z transformation, we transform this x to z and ultimately the corresponding cutoff values. So probability that I will write x minus mu upon sigma, this symbol as it is. So 36 minus value of mu is 40 divided by sigma is 4. 45 minus 40 divided by 4. Ultimately this can be written as minus 1. 36 minus 40 divided by 4 minus 1 less than z less than 45 minus 40 divided by 4, it is 1.25. So in normal probability graph, standard normal probability graph, the area is from minus 1 to 1.25. So we have to find this area, this probability, minus 1 to 1.25. But in example we have given the areas between 0 to 1 and 0 to 1.25. So we will split this area up to 0 and between them. Probably that minus 1 less than z less than 0. So minus 1 to 0 plus probability that 0 less than z less than 1.25. So we know that minus 1 to 0 probability due to symmetry, it is as like as 0 to 1. So I can write 0 less than z less than 1 for minus 1 to 0 probability plus it is as it is. So 0 to 1 it is given 0.3413 plus 0 to 1.25 it is already given in the question 0.3944. So by adding this I can get probability 0.7357. This is the probability that weight of student lies between 36 kg and 45 kg. After identifying the probability of the weight of student lies between 36 kg and 45 kg, we can find the number of students, that is the number of students having weight or with weight between 36 kilograms and 45 kilograms is given by, that is equal to 36 less than x less than 45 multiplied by n. So we have computed this probability and it is 0.7357 multiplied by total number of students, that is 1000. Ultimately this probability will be 735.7, approximately 736 students. That's it. Thank you.